Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the camera tricks on the HONOR X6b. Okay, so let's begin. First, let's go into the camera and start with the photo. Over here we have the QR code scanner. So simply, if you want to scan the QR code, click on this option, place the camera and wait until it will be scanned. You can also here enable the flashlight. Okay, we can go back. Over here we have the AI photography mode. If you click on here, you'll see what it basically does. So the AI photography brings out the color in your photos by adjusting camera settings based on the subjects. So I'll leave you to it to check it by yourself. Also, if you go to the settings over here, you can set things such as aspect ratio, smart capture. If you enable it, it will automatically take pictures when people smile. So it's a nice option. You can go back now. You can also change the resolution. And the frame rate is locked on the 30 FPS. Also, we have the horizontal level. I'll show you what it does. So basically, it helps you to place the camera on the right angle. You can see this circle and the lines. And when you place it right, it will turn the color into yellow. So it actually means that you're holding the phone still on the right angle, right to the horizontal level. Okay, so now we can turn it off. Also, we can set the timer, add the watermark and the location tag. But the most fun things are on the more options. We got modes such as Pro, Slow Motion, Panorama, HDR Photo, Time-Lapse, Watermark, and the High Resolution. So basically on the Pro mode you have a bunch of options you can select, starting from the ISO to the end. You can also change the temperature of the photo. Okay. Now back to the more, and now slow motion. So I will take a quick video to show you how this basically works. So let's start the recording. I'm gonna make a video. Okay, we can start the recording. Let's go into the gallery now. And as you can see, now the slow-mo has been enabled. The screen is moving really slow. So that's basically what the slow motion does. Okay, back to the camera. We can now get off the slow motion mode into the panorama. So to take a panorama shot, all you need to do is click the photo button and swipe your phone from the left to the right. So I'm gonna show you how this works. And now I need to swipe the phone into the right. Okay. Let's get into the gallery. And as you can see, we have this white photo because I did this move and because of this mode. So that's the panorama. We can go back into the camera. Again, more. Also, we have the HDR photo. If you click on the information button, as you can see, HDR improves the details in the lightest and darkest areas of photos, steady the camera when taking photos. So I'll leave you to it to check it by yourself. And also the high resolution. Again, let's go into the information button. And as you can see, high res can capture more details. It will be better to use it in a bright environment. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.